Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be about how to get rid of hiccups. So, all you need is, if you're having hiccups, yeah, you need this. Possibly I'm having one right now. First up, you'll need a cup of water or a glass of water. My mom taught me this, that a lot of you guys do like scaring stuff, like you boo, like you go hide, and like I'm hiding right here, you go hide there, you like scare each other. That I don't think that will work, but this might work for you guys. But I think it works for me. My mom taught me that drink 9 medium sips of water. I'm having. Please ignore that. I'm having a hiccup right now, as you guys can see. I'm telling the truth. So, you have to, first step, you have to drink 9 sips of water, breathing a little bit. But first step, breathe like keep on breathing like that for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then 9 medium sips of water. I know it's a lot of water, but it will work. Okay. And 9. So, Bailey. So then we're gonna wait, Bailey. We're gonna wait for about 11 seconds, see if it stops. So, and I have a little water left. You be quiet. It's my day in Chihuahua. Okay, so we're gonna start counting for 11 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, since I count really fast, we're gonna wait for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The tip is, do not use room temperature. Don't use warm. Don't use hot. Use icy cold. And it's also healthy for you. And they're gone! Hooray! I hope this worked for you guys too. So, thank you. Thank you for watching. Oh! And I'll show you my yogurt. Okay, so I ate it and it's melted. I got this from Sweet Sunday. It's really good. I got all the flavors, but except for the green apple. I ate it. It's melted. It's still saggy. It's still really good. So yeah, I got it from Sweet Sunday. It doesn't say, but it says Sweet Sunday. So thanks for watching. Yada.